Hello and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can hide home screen pages in iOS 14. Now, like many of you, I've accumulated lots of apps over the years, and what tends to happen is that they just end up being spread out across many different home screens, which can create a bit of a mess and make it difficult to access the apps that you need to get to, especially in my case, as I only tend to use a handful of the apps regularly. But now there's a way to hide individual home screen pages and keep just a few of them around for the apps that we use a lot. So to do this, if you tap and hold anywhere on the home screen, you'll see the icons go into jiggle mode. And from here, if you tap on the page dots at the bottom, specifically on that rounded rectangle, you'll see that we get taken into a new view which allows us to edit pages. And from here you can just tap on the individual ticks to hide pages. So I'm just going to tap on these ones here, and if I tap done, you can see if I now go out of jiggle mode and swipe across, I've only got those home screens that I kept. So in this case I've only got 4 as opposed to the many others I had before. Now if you want to access any of those other apps from the pages that you've hidden, all you have to do is go to your last home screen that is visible, and then if you swipe from right to left one more time, you'll be taken into the app library, and from here you can see all of the apps on your iPhone grouped into different categories based on what type of app they are. So this is done automatically, you don't have to do it yourself. So at the top you've got suggested apps based on what you use frequently and what your iPhone thinks you'll want to use next. You've got recently added, and then you've just got the rest of them grouped into categories. And at any point I can just tap into any of these apps. So let's go here into productivity and finance, and I can see all of the apps in that category and access them if I want, and just tap out. And I've also got search at the top, so I can search through all of my apps if I want to find one quickly and I'm not sure where it is. But that's basically how you can hide your home screen pages in iOS 14. It's a nice feature for people who have lots of apps, and it definitely makes navigating your iPhone much easier because you don't have to go scroll through so many apps when you only really need to access a handful of them on a regular basis. If you've got any questions or comments, then do leave them in the comment section of this video. And please do give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Do also subscribe to the channel for more videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified when any new videos are released. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.